Now I'll assemble the daisy. A daisy consists of a flower, a pot, soil, and 2 leaves. Let's put it back together. First of all, we take the bottom of this planter and then some glue to make it a little harder. If we don't have a hot melt gun, we can use a lighter as well. Dab a little round. The same goes for dissolving glue sticks with a lighter. This will make the planter harder and flatter. When you're done, we can flatten it. Take a bit of cotton and stuff it in there. Place on a hard surface and flatten the bottom of the pots. With a proper hand squeeze, pinch. Once the bottom of this basin is leveled, put it to the side. Let him dry the glue inside. Now let's wrap the daisy wire. Use the green one. Take a green cotton thread. After obtaining the cotton thread, we put a little glue on the root of this wire of the flower. Afterwards, put this cotton thread on top of this iron wire. Stick it, wrap it around a few times. This place. This cotton thread is wrapped around the root. Have a look. Long cotton threads left behind. It just goes on and on and on, just until you get all the extra threads wrapped in. Wrap it down about 3 centimeters. By the time we get to this place, we'll put some glue on the iron wire. Keep winding the cotton thread. Almost this long. That's about 3 centimeters. We'll fix the cotton thread with a glue stick. Take this leaf again. Adjust the leaves when you bring them over. Then wrap the leaves around the top of the flower column. Don't wrap the cotton thread inside. The cotton threads on the leaves can be wrapped inside. This cotton thread we need to keep. It needs to be intertwined with the leaves. Put the 2 leaves flat against each other here. Clamped. Then pinch the root of the leaf and the root of the wire. Then use this cotton thread to tightly wrap the leaves together. If it's crooked, we can adjust it properly by hand. In the middle of this, let's wind it up a little tighter. When you're winding up here, we apply some glue sticks. Wrap your cotton thread around this glue. When we're done, we'll need a bigger pair of scissors. I'm sure small scissors won't cut it. Cut this excess off. After the cut, we are done with the leaves and the flowers. After completion, we need to put it in the flower pot. The glue in the flower pot has also dried up. Beyond, we'll start by tucking the flowers inside the soil. Use a needle to enlarge the hole first. Poke. Then put the flower through the hole. Let's try to cram it in some. It's basically all stuffed into this dirt. This soil goes right up to the roots of this leaf. Then we'll give him a little glue underneath this. And then this excess cotton thread we cut off first. Let it dry out a bit. Okay, it's almost dry now. Once it's dry, we need to sew it to the planter. We'll start by threading the cotton thread through the needle. Line the cotton thread with the joint of the flower pot. Sew this joint together as well. In this position, after alignment, we stitch each coil. Each cotton coil corresponds to one cotton coil. Align it and bring it in. Sew them together with a needle next to each other. Sew until there's a little bit of an opening left. We'll stuff some more cotton in there. Add a little cotton to it. That's about right. You can't stuff it too much. If you stuff it too full, it'll bulge out and it won't look as good. After sewing, now hide the cotton threads. We can hide the cotton threads as much as we want. Put this in. Tidy up the leaves and you're done.